Now I introduce you this data laser hair removal machine with multi-wavelengths, 808 nanometer, 755 nanometer, and 1064 nanometer. Firstly, we see this handle is with a red spot is 755 nanometer. On the machine, you can see here the key and here emergency switch, and now we turn on the machine. Firstly, we see the welcome screen, the welcome page, and touch it. Go to the wavelength selection page in 755, 808, 1064 nanometer. First, we choose this one, and here the working mode, hair removal, fast hair removal, and skin rejuvenation, hair removal. And we go to this page. Here we can set the skin type from white to black, and the gender, and you can choose the gender and different treatment part. We choose one and go to OK to the parameter setting page. On this page, we can see on the top the skin type and body area, the gender we just set in last page, and on the bottom we can see the water temperature for the machine and the water flow rate and conductivity and the total shoes for this machine. On the middle part, we can set the parameters we set and increase or decrease the fluence. Decrease and the frequency, increase or decrease, and press OK. And here the subtotal is the energy for one treatment, and here the skin cooling for the spot cooling. We set it, and now ready for treatment. We can see like this. And finish, standby. Then back to the mode page. Fast hair removal. There are 5 levels for the power. We choose one type and set the skin cooling. Ready for treatment. And then finish treatment, standby, and back. Skin rejuvenation. Here are 3 levels for the power and the skin cooling. Ready for treatment. And then finish, standby, back to last page. And then finish this handle, we change to another handle. Switch off the machine. Take the handle out. Now we change to this golden spot. It's 808 nanometer. We turn on the machine again. Now we see same welcome screen and select the wavelength and select the working mode and go to the parameters, and here you can see the same and set the energy, the fluence first, and the frequency, also skin cooling. Okay, ready. Laser, press this knob and the laser out. Then stand by. Back to fast hair removal, 5 levels, and skin cooling. Ready. Then laser out. You can clear the subtotals and stand by. Back to last page. Skin rejuvenation. There are 3 levels again. And skin cool and treatment. Laser out. Then stand by and back. And now switch off the machine. We change to last handle. And now turn on the machine again. This handle with the blue spot is 1064 nanometer. Welcome again, and the wavelength selection and 1064 nanometer. First the hair removal, and we choose this. Okay to the parameters, and set the parameters you can. Set the frequency and press OK. Skin cooling reset and ready for treatment. This wavelength you cannot see the laser, so I show you to the black material, because this wavelength is special for the black skin. We can see for treatment, you can see the laser power. And stand by. Back to last page. And fast hair removal, skin cooling. Also to the black material, we see it like this. You can see the power. And stand by. Back to last page. Skin rejuvenation. And ready. Also to the dark or dark brown skin. And stand by. Back. And now switch off the machine.